Okay.
This is Bitches Gone Wild at Baylor Hospital.
Representing. What's up? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and I woke up first morning and I went to the 5 and time. I saw this pretty girl that was real fun. I tapped her on the shoulder. I said, what's your name? Don't touch my booty because I won't touch you. Don't touch my booty because it's not the thing to do. Whoa, whoa, Sally, that girl. Oh, Sally, that girl. That girl. We used to be so more serious.
These bitches are crazy.
Hang on, keep doing that. Turn back around and keep doing that.
Don't post it, okay? This is the only girl I know
Can pop her booty like a black girl?
Oh, okay, she can do it too. Okay, turn off the camera. Check it out, check it out.
Look at that shit.
We've always known she's a sister. No, I'm actually like her.
Like, totally. She says she's a white girl.
Like, for real.
Cut it out.